Hi, just short video to show this Dyson V6 Animal cordless vacuum cleaner, the condition of it. This is serial number MJ5 UK JHV40001A. So it comes with a genuine power supply and docking station, combination tool, crevice tool, brush head. This completely been taken apart, cleaned inside and out, and then put back together. The wand does have little scratches, small dents. This is why I like doing these videos, so you can see this. You can't really see it in pictures. Just small scratches, small little dents. And then the main unit itself. The filter, if I can pull it out, has been fully cleaned. I've washed the head out and washed the bin also. This has a brand new 4000 mAh battery fitted. It is brand new. There is two modes on the Dyson vacuum cleaner. One's economy mode, where the battery lasts 15 to 20 minutes. That's non-stop, it is. And max mode, or boost, which only lasts 5 to 6 minutes. The difference is most people use it on economy mode, which works excellent as is. Now, to charge it, you simply, when it's plugged in, stick it in the docking station, and you get a blue light come on. When the blue light goes off, it's fully charged, and then you just take it out. I'll show you it working, but I won't clean the carpet because I don't want to clean the vacuum cleaner again. I'll just put it together quickly one-handed. Please bear with me. And then you press the button to put it onto boost mode. So I have many of these in stock. They're all in the same condition, all brand new batteries. Any questions, please ask. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching.